guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my first vlog. I want y'all to like, comment and subscribe. Please continue to support me. And I know I look a mess right now, but good gonna come out. When I say good gonna do, good gonna come out. So just stay tuned. Bye, see you soon. Hi, here I am. I'm gonna put on my shoes. Going to put on my shoe. Which shoe I'm going to wear? I am going to wear my slipper. Here it is. Yes, guys, this is what I'm going to wear. Nice. My aunt gave me. I'm feeling cute. Slippers is on. See? Shiny. Don't mind my toes. This is it. Yes, guys. The handbag. I want to go. Oh no, it's not in that. So I have my pouches in a box. I'm going to take one out. Turn off the fan. Too much noise. I'm going to take out one of the bags. So this is the box I have. I have some slippers and sport in it. So I'm going to wear this to match my shoe. Yes, honey. I like Jamaica, I live and it's very hot, but Portmore, I live the most hottest place in Jamaica, but girl, I can't skin some I go, I know say I go cool, so that's why I'm wearing that sweater here. But if I was gonna stay in Portmore, hell no. So gonna put my things in my bag, gonna put my mask. And guys, remember to wear your mask. Corona still a go on, so remember to wear your mask. Alright, so my mask here. Gonna put it in my handbag. I'm gonna take out a grand because anywhere I go, even if I'm family yard, even I have to bring money for me. Because next thing, the ride mash up. Still have to have something, some cash. So I'm put that in my handbag. What else may I put? I'm gonna bring my iPhone because man was said this battery might dead or probably the memory run out. So yeah, what else? I'm gonna bring one sanitary napkin. Ladies, remember to carry them even if nothing is happening. Make sure you have your local first aid kit for safety and them something. They have your local gloves in case anything. I'll bring my sanitizer. What else? I guess that's it for me. And I'm done. What else? My lip gloss, lipstick. Oops. Oh. Yeah, so come back to it. I rubber shot me here. Food ready, so I'm gonna eat the food. And see. Oh, my spoon gone. I eat with fast. No spoon I eat with. Where phone? Yes? Okay. on some Vaseline for my mouth. See that? Spread it because banana need. Oh, I forgot my rag. Guys, remember to carry your rag so that even if you have the flu, you can cough in it and don't spread anything to anyone. For my rag. Lighting. Oh, oh.
Everything what me use in my ear when me now mix up all of that with the avocado and carrot, okra, aloe vera juice and
So different. So, well, I will see. Anyways, mom ready, so me I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Oh, yeah, go.
Yeah, me of course we're going. That's why I'm just up nice.
Oh, yeah, go.
And plus I will be vlogging, so you're gonna see the video. We're going to Auntie Yvonne. We're going to Auntie Yvonne.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
Later. As well. Okay? And y'all subscribe. If you're not subscribing, subscribe now because I'm coming with some quality content.
Me not have not even one.
Sorry. I'm going with you. Oh, you never do it? Oh, I didn't look drive up, man. Yeah. Not chip. I see him phone have a post office in it. Like, I eat that phone them. I got something there. Yeah, take it out and put it back. Maybe it's lock. Or something. Yeah. You have your phone? You don't have your phone?
No.
You don't want it?
You left it.
Me left it? I did not call you. Oh, it me did pan now? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, because you turn it round.
Yeah, we cut out, look, cut out the mix.
Yeah. We don't see him care. Work.
Yeah, because
Still I say no. It,
no, hey.
oh boy.
Because I'm going away.
That's cute. Maybe the size.
Oh. Oh. That's good about
I'm always about the house for the jacket.
yeah. I'm Jackie, yeah, what do you want to tell me? Yeah. Okay. Yes, you want to tell me, it's all right, time.
Time to say goodbye. See Swan is now here comes the boss in pursuit as they run toward the half-mile. Johnson is moving down to the outside, making gains. Mother Nature is back in full force off that lead, doing patrol, and the Duke down the race almost as a team. Time to say goodbye in the orange. On the outside of Versailles, they overtake you. Boss Easy races out 3 wide. Slice the wheels of the
Tower, no. The chip, if you want chip, because your chip cut, the chip cut and the case, in an original big case, so it chip the for shift come down. So it work now.
Yeah, right now?
Yes, it did yourself. I don't even know what it's called.
What's up, big? Take out the
Yeah, the original. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm pull it up further so I can go up and...
Oh, you pull it up further down and
yeah.
push it down and put it up?
Yeah.
You must have taken it.
How many?
Over Doom Patrol.
That is for my birthday.
She's one. Doom Patrol is second. And the winner there, second favorite, gets home over the favorite. One is number 6 here. That one will get third. And the fourth will go at 15 to 1 to number 2. So that's how we finish. Simon Chatry or Spencer Chalk. They go with the conclusion. When we come back, we'll give you full comprehensive results.
Sponsored by Classic Mattress, distributed by Cars Manufacturing. Campaigns for people who drink in color. The store that gives you more. And Victoria Neutral Money Transfer Services. An unfiltered opinion on today's biggest sports topics. This is the sports that we heard.
The Sports Desk is sponsored by Just Bet. Your game, your passion. The musical selection is sponsored by Edge Campaigns for people who dream in color and Express Fitness. Your goal, our mission. The producer's view is sponsored by Stoplight Wholesale, where your dollar.
And when I drive, got grade up for more.
When I came through by I got me put more bus them. They put more, they bus around come up more. That's a job, they say best for them way up there. In a year, I don't know where they're going way up there, but let's see when I take the real bus out again and man have a ready for them. Ready for them, brother. And kill 2 of them at once, and after that. Two young boys. Young boys. Tell me some pension. When you get pension, I want shit money. You know, everybody gets him.
What do you mean?
Eh?
No.
They can man in
Yeah, everybody get different money.
different money.
Yeah.
Eh? Eh? Everybody get different money after go. Okay, that's it. After go.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to put that. Next month, put it in the right. Okay. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have said all the time.
When I say stinky.
I'm going to pack your around there. You come around and full of factory. You come back, man, but I'm going to come back.
We reached now. Nearly. What's that? Dog. Eh? She not an apple. Not on the funny tree. Say what? Nothing is on the tree. Only happy. Every yard have one tree. around here. Nice houses and everything. This view, this lighting, nice. Outside full of bush. For safety purpose, I won't be videoing my aunt's house inside. I will be just videoing me and maybe the trees and everything, just to show you how Jamaica is a very tropical place and it's very nice to live. But when sun we burn you out. But over here cool still. So I'm gonna have a problem with heat over here. So yeah. Well, I would do I just bring local food for my auntie and local juice. So we're gonna just sit down and talk and thing and go home. That's just it for me. Right now it's, what time is it? It is 4:24 p.m. I say since now the nights the nights are longer, so Tuesday night come down and everything, so I have to stop record and everything. So yeah, nothing too fun. I'm just videoing, you know. Yeah, I like the view over here and the breeze. Going back to talk. I take some snap. I'ma feel cute. Yeah. Nico ba Jamaica? Protecting the passes for you. Word. So that them dog guys see. Watch them a look for me. Afraid. Not even want to go further. Afraid them bite me up. That one them afraid I'm more. Afraid we want to look for me so far. Jesus. I'm more asleep. Tonight when I go home I'm going to press my clothes for work and do little studies and then go to my bed. Tomorrow I have work and plus I have something to do because I have one paper for balance for work and then I'm good. So yeah, I have a can't breathe through the mouth, Jesus. Alright. Well, I sleep. I think journey back home I might I look a nap. Who knows? I'm tired. Night I come down, you know. See? Look at the sunset. So beautiful. I don't know why them can't make them bikes so loud. I don't like it. I don't like it. Tell me if you like those bikes. What them call Roomba bike or something. I would never ride one. Anyways, look how the place is pretty. You see this? God created this. Isn't nature beautiful? Hear the birds chirping? But I'm so tired. I like this tree. We had one at my home, but I guess it died. When I was younger, I used to pick them. Like as I come home from school, I pick one of them and put it in my ear. Yeah, tell me if you don't normally do that. If y'all Jamaicans, tell me if you guys normally see the leaves and just put it in your ear and you would give someone. Yeah. So right now I'm tired. I'm really tired. That's why I'm to stop. I'm ready to feel sleepy and everything. Up here so cool that I feel like say my day in our bed or something, but apparently I'm not. So guys, this is right now. I just want to go home because I'm really thirsty. I know some I have one Pepsi in my fridge and I can't wait to drink it. I can't wait to get back to my dinner because I never eat it off because my belly was full. So yeah. Yeah man. Night, come down. Night.
Get moving, JP. Let's get healthier together.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I've been going home. Eh?
Yeah, it's good, yeah. My dog and back there. What's up?
Yeah, sure.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's about it.
Ah. And mom's better?
Yeah.
So, come here, where you are going now? You like pizza? Yeah, so. Alright. I didn't know we were gonna make another stop. But I guess we are. Mommy can't come out. I didn't put that in party, so. Scratch. Home sweet home. That was the end of my vlog. Tired. You can see it in my eye. I'm gonna sleep. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you can see I'm tired right now. I'm really tired. I'm going to drink my Pepsi and I'm going to eat my food. Thank you God, I'm so thirsty. Oh my God, guys, you don't even understand. From day my day I'm thirsty. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.